These juicy chicken tacos are packed with bold flavors, fresh toppings, as a pineapple salsa, and of course a squeeze of refreshing lime. Everything you want in a perfect taco.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Lounging with Lenny. My name is Lenny. In this video episode I'll show you how to make the healthiest and crispiest chicken taco recipe. So stay tuned and make sure to watch the video to the end. And as always, enjoy it. In this episode I would like to thank Kyoku Japanese knife company that sent me chef knife and the sharpening stone set. By the way, for my audience, they provided us with the additional discount code, which is 5% off. And the discount code is Lenny. I will attach it in the video description. So make sure to check it out and use it.
I've got here a complete sharpening stone kit with 1000 grit stone for accurate initial sharpening and 6000 grit stone for a glossy professional grade finish. Also it includes a rust remover, flattening stone, a non-slip rubber mat, and of course 8-inch Gyuto chef knife, manufactured with high quality 67 layered stainless Damascus steel. The Gyuto chef knife slices effortlessly and chops meat, fish and vegetables like a charm. It's not my first time working with Kyoku and I'm always happy. And today this knife will help me to make my delicious chicken taco recipe.
Let's marinate the chicken. I got 2 pounds of chicken thighs, but if you want you can definitely substitute it for a chicken breast.
Clean chicken thighs from any excess fat and cut it into small cubes. Taco as we know today is a blend of ancient Mexican recipes and international influences. However, before it was known in America, natives in Mexico were eating the version that looked quite different. Tacos are thought to come from Mexico long before Spanish arrived. Ancient Mexicans used freshly made, soft flat corn tortillas and gave them with fillings like fish and cooked organs. It was a staple meal that provided vital nutrients and energy to those who consumed it. These tacos didn't contain the cheese, lettuce, sour cream, and tomatoes that we associate with tacos today.
After I slice the raw chicken, to prevent the spread of salmonella, I'm gonna wash the hands and the cutting board, and obviously the knife. And I recommend you to do the same.
Place the cut chicken into the bowl and marinate it. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, freshly ground black pepper, and season it with salt. Pour some vegetable oil and mix it. Believe it or not, Taco Tuesday was trademarked in 1989 by a taco chain. That trademark was only recently released after legal pressure, so now everyone can use it freely.
Marinate the chicken for about 1 hour, ideally overnight in the fridge. Smells delicious, so it means that it's very sweet. We're gonna peel it, clean it, dice it, and let's begin to make our pineapple salsa.
Cut the top of the pineapple and peel it. Pineapple salsa is a little sweet, a little spicy, is a must for both taco night and parties. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell, press notify me to get notified about my new videos. After you peel the pineapple, cut off the core of the pineapple. It's hard and impossible to chew. And then dice the pineapple small. In fact, the taco that we know today is less than 100 years old. The word taco is quite new. It originated from Mexican silver miners in the 18th century. Gunpowder was wrapped in a paper like a taquito and inserted into the rocks before detonation. By this time, tacos were known as food of the working class, which included miners. This resulted in their portable street food being called tacos de minero or miners' tacos. Transfer the pineapple into the bowl and put it aside. Take half of the red onion, dice it small and wash it. Chicken tacos are a modern twist. Traditional tacos used meats like pork or beef, but chicken tacos became popular in the United States due to being leaner, faster to cook, and perfect for marinades. Take 1 red bell pepper, cut off the core, and dice it small as well. The taco was first introduced to the United States in 1905. Mexican migrants were coming to work on railroads and other jobs and started to bring their delicious food with them. Transfer the bell pepper into the bowl with pineapple. Add onions in as well. Mix it. Take one jalapeno, cut off the core and seeds, and dice it small. Transfer jalapeno into the bowl with other ingredients. Take 3/4 of a bunch of cilantro and chop it fine. Take 2 limes. I will use only 1.5 lime. Roll them over the cutting board so it's easier to juice it. Cut it in half and squeeze it with the juicer. Nowadays you can find tacos practically everywhere, from your local street food stand to Chipotle. Each place has a different to offer, whether it's authentic or a Mexican-inspired fusion meal. Season it with salt, freshly ground black pepper, pour some vegetable oil in and mix it.
Let's try my pineapple salsa. Sweet, slightly spicy, very refreshing. You know what? The only thing we need is salt and pepper, a little bit more. We're definitely gonna change the spoon before we mix it. Let's try it again. Perfect. It's gonna be a perfect topping for our crispy chicken tacos.
Take 8 corn tortillas, stack them on a plate, cover with a wet paper towel, and put it into the microwave for about 30 seconds. Take a bowl and pour some vegetable oil in. I will use this oil to brush the corn tortillas. Take warm tortillas and lay them down on a cutting board, and brush the tortillas with vegetable oil with any type of brush, and stack them back. The pre-fried shells were patented in 1940s and later popularized by fast food chains like Taco Bell. To make crispy tortillas, I'm using this taco shell mold, and it looks like it's very easy to use. The link to this tool, I will add it into the video description. Make sure to brush the other side of the tortillas with vegetable oil and place them on a mold. Season it with salt and some pepper. The hard shell U-shaped tacos was an American, not Mexican, innovation designed for convenience and mass production. Personally, I do not like store-bought taco shells, but homemade, toasted like this, is a different thing.
We're gonna put our corn tortilla shells in the preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 5 to 7 minutes, until it's gonna get crispy.
In meantime, take 2 medium onions and slice it, and transfer it into the bowl. Now let's cook the chicken. Preheat the pan to medium-high heat, pour some oil in, and transfer the marinated chicken in. Sear the chicken until golden brown in color. Adjust the seasoning with some salt, and put it aside once it's done. Now let's cook the onions. Preheat the pan to medium-high heat, add the vegetable oil in, and transfer the onions. Season it with salt and black pepper, and sear it until it's slightly translucent. Americans eat over 4.5 billion tacos a year, and yes, 4.5 billion tacos. That's a lot of tacos there. Combine onion and chicken together and mix it. Tacos are celebrated internationally on October 4th, and the day is known as National Taco Day. So make sure to save this recipe and make it on October 4th. I ended up to bake my taco shells for 12 minutes, so make sure to keep an eye. They're crispy and ready to be used. Everything is ready, and now let's assemble the tacos. Take one taco shell, add chicken with onion, pineapple salsa, take half of the lemon that left, cut it into quarters, and use 1/4 to squeeze the juice over the taco. And finally, of course, some shredded cotija cheese. Today the chicken taco has many variations, from authentic preparations to modern fusions. Traditional preparation was boiling chicken and shredding it, with cooking broth used to make the mold sauce, and most recent recipes include seasoned and pan-cooked or air-fried chicken thighs for a juicier result.
Ooh, I want to give it a try, guys. This corn tortilla is very crispy. I like it. Perfect combination. Pineapple salsa. It's a win-win match here. Chicken is slightly spicy. Guys, definitely make this recipe and enjoy it. Fast, easy, and super delicious.